Today, we will visit a very distant planet that stands out faintly against the dead vacuum when viewed through a telescope. This is Uranus, a very distant and cold world, the existence of which mankind did not realize until the end of the 18th century. The planet was named so by analogy with its neighbors, or rather, in terms of their mythological kinship. Saturn is the daddy of Jupiter, and Uranus is its grandfather. But what is the first thing an Earth traveler will see on Uranus? Flying up to Saturn's phlegmatic neighbor, the space tourist will find rings around the planet. Of course, they are much poorer than the Saturnian ones, but still their number reaches 11 layers. What's unique about Uranus is that it spins on its side. Most likely, this is a consequence of a large-scale collision that occurred long ago, and the object that toppled Uranus must have been larger than the Earth. By the way, it also served the appearance of the planet's reverse rotation around its axis. A Titanic-sized ocean of hydrogen and helium is the first thing that will meet the Earth Voyager on Uranus, so do not forget to dive into a special spacesuit. Immediately, a person will be embraced by the hellish cold as the temperature under the cloud layer reaches -200 degrees Celsius. This figure is not very far from absolute zero, -273 degrees Celsius. Traveling around the planet is quite boring and long. Its diameter is 4 times larger than the Earth's and is 51,120 kilometers. Monotonous landscapes are waiting for the traveler, consisting mainly of pictures of the icy ocean. But what's the most amazing thing about this gas giant? Because of the peculiarities of rotation, dawns and sunsets on Uranus have no rivals in the solar system in terms of duration. If a tourist decides to enjoy this extravaganza, it is better to fly to one of the poles of the planet. There he will have to stay for 42 years, because a day on Uranus lasts exactly that long. For 21 Earth years, the bright but very small star, which we used to call the Sun, slowly creeps toward the zenith, only to descend to the horizon for the same amount of time. Its small size is understandable because the distance to the Sun from this abandoned world is about 3 billion kilometers. So a year on Uranus is 84 Earth years, in fact, the average human life. So in this world, the age of Earthlings will not exceed 1 year. And at 1 year and 2 months, a person can safely be considered a long-lived person. But if the tourist's vacation is limited, there are places on the planet where the day is shorter. For example, at latitude 60 degrees day and night lasts only 28 years, and 30 degrees latitude boasts some miserable 14 years of Uranian 24 hours. So surprising and unpredictable is Uranus. Even a day in different places of the planet has different time frames. You can admire the moons of Uranus to your heart's content, as there are 27 of them. Of course, that's not 64 Jupiterian moons, but there's still plenty to see. The planet's satellites are even more satanically cold than Uranus itself. They're dead worlds, circling the cosmos in silence for millions of years. Titania, the largest of them, has a diameter of about 1,500 kilometers, but visiting it is not recommended. The temperature is close to -213 degrees Celsius. Ice, of which it consists, is turned by the terrible cold into a hard mineral, similar to a diamond. When you leave Uranus, don't forget to leave a coin there, so you can be sure to return to this mesmerizing world. And be sure to subscribe to us, subscribe and amaze others with your knowledge. And a huge like under this video will speed up the release of the next episodes. Travel with us. We discover the universe in a new way.